Welcome to our ultimate showcase of modern house front elevation design ideas for 2024. Discover the top trending front elevation designs that blend style, functionality, and cutting-edge architecture. Whether you're building your dream modern home or are simply looking for inspiration, this video is a treasure trove of innovative concepts to elevate your exterior spaces. From minimalist facades to bold statements, we've got it all. In this video, we unveil the top inspirations that will transform any house into a contemporary masterpiece. Whether you crave sleek lines, bold colors, or innovative materials, these breathtaking designs will ignite your creativity. Join us as we explore the latest architectural trends, stunning visuals, and tips for achieving the perfect aesthetic. Whether you're building your dream home or giving your current one a facelift, this is the must-watch video for modern home enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design ideas.